everybody. I'm very sorry I've been away for so long. I've been very sick with the flu, with dizziness, with all the works. I mean, really, it's been like a month I was sick, and still I'm not 100%, but at least my voice sounds much better and I can make a video. I wanted to make this video and I couldn't because my voice sounded horrible. I'm going to make sugar-free jam, which I love to make. I mostly love is blueberries, but I don't have blueberries right now, but I do have frozen strawberries, which we picked in the farms close to winter. I'm not even sure when, but that's what I do. For it not to go spoiled, I usually throw them in the freezer. So let's begin. This saucepan, I'm going to add the frozen strawberries, which they're really frozen, so I'm gonna have to rip the plastic bag. I think I uploaded one, but that one was with chia seeds to thicken it. Now we're just going to do it the normal way. For those that cannot eat none of the sugar, this will be good for you. Okay, so I will turn on my stove to 1 number less than medium. Medium-low heat, 1 number less, or medium if you wish. Okay, so I'm going to add all those strawberries. I have another pack, but that one is more fresh. You can tell which one is more fresh. And since this is frozen, I just cut it up a little bit and just throw it in there. I don't know if those colds, those flus, or whatever virus that's going around, it's terrible. I was like dizzy for a week. I don't wish that on nobody. And believe me, I've been through a lot in my life, so that wasn't that much serious to worry about, but still, I don't wish it on nobody. A cold is a cold, a flu is a flu, but that one was a strange one though. So we're going to wait until all that melts down, and we're going to let it simmer for a bit. And letting you know that I'm going to be a little bit more active in this channel since I closed one of my channels, which was getting me very upset. There could be ignorant people that leave you some stupid comments, very bad comments, and don't care about the person's feelings. I mean, and the sad part about it is our own people that speak our language. Because I speak Spanish, I'm from Ecuador, so our own people are the worst ones that criticize you like hell. They don't care if they insult you, they'll tell you many hurtful words. I used to upload recipes on that channel, and then after I stopped uploading, like for maybe half a year. And that channel reached 59,000 subscribers. The sad part is that the people leave you very hurtful comments. I just have no patience with that, and I'm not in the mood to get my little brain all stressed up for people that are ignorant. I mean, everybody cooks different in their own kitchen. Even if we're from the same city, because mostly it's Spanish, they criticize you. Oh no, that's not the way you're supposed to do it. You bitch, you this, you that, you dog, you. Like in our language, it's very bad, our swearing. And there's many ways to swear in our language. Trust me, lots, like too much. In English, I don't find that many. But in Spanish, oh my goodness, there's so many ways to insult people and really hurt the feelings. So I said, you know what, forget it. I'm not stressing myself, so I rather upload videos to the other channel, which really appreciate me, and I never get this kind of treatment. So I just closed all the comments on that channel and just left just a few recipes just to remind me that I opened that channel. But I did close all the comments, so they cannot leave me no more comments. So you will be seeing me more often on this channel. Like I said, I'm not a vegetarian, but I do love to share things that I cook that are meatless, right? Mostly for my friend that she is vegetarian and she loves my cooking, so she begged me to open a channel like this. So I did, and I pleased her, and well, for her I'm going to do this more often, and she's grateful, and she understands why sometimes I don't upload, because sometimes it gets busy and there's no time, or you're ill or or anything, something happens, you never know the life of people. Too much chit chat. I'm sorry, my friends. I just wanted to let you know what's going on in my life a little bit, so that way you're not feeling that you're left out or I'm ignoring you, I'm ignoring this channel or something like that. No, not at all. Things happen in life. We all go through things in life. Bear with me. And thank you all for your patience. I appreciate you all, really, with all my heart. I appreciate you all. I will try to upload a little more often than before. Well, I always upload almost once a month. I will come up with many menus or meals and share it with you. Okay, so this is simmering, and I'll be back once it has melted all, okay? It's almost melted, so what I want is to let it boil. I want the water to lessen at least half of it. I don't want too much liquid in there. So we're gonna wait until this boils for maybe, I don't know, depending how long it will take for the water to go less than half. So maybe 20 minutes to half an hour maybe. I'll be back and I'll let you know how much exactly it took. Alright, so this has been boiling and it's been already like 20 minutes and it has foamed. So be careful. When it starts boiling, lower the heat to 1 or 2 numbers less than medium. It will foam. Now, what I'm going to do is add my stevia. I buy this online on Amazon. It's really tiny, as you can see my hand, and the little scoop is also tiny as well. You can see my finger there. So it's really tiny. So all I'm going to do is just maybe add 4 tiny scoops of that. You can add flavoring of your choice. Vanilla, it's your choice. I think I lost count. Oh my. Okay, we're gonna stir that up. We're going to add lemon. Okay, half a lemon. And just stir that up and let it boil until more than half of that liquid is gone. Now we're going to use a masher because I want to mash it a bit. You can use an immersion blender if you wish, it's your choice, but I find it more fun. I like to do it like this, and I like to feel some chunks sometimes when I put it on my low carb bread, because I think I did mention that I'm on a low carb, so that's why I make these. So if you have it on low heat, the lowest as you can, it shouldn't be that bad. There we go. Oh, perfect. I don't have a lid for this pot, so it stops jumping, but I'm gonna use this huge one just to kind of let it boil until it lessens a lot. So I'm putting it as low as possible, the heat. Okay, so what I'm going to put now is vanilla, but this is alcohol free because there's sugar, alcohol, and I don't like to add those things. So it's just the little lid that I'm using from it. You choose whichever flavoring that you wish. There's coconut, there's banana flavor. But I do really watch for those sugar alcohols. I try not to buy those ones. Alright, so it's all well mixed. So I will come back after a few more minutes. Let that simmer for 10 to 15 more minutes, and then I'll let it cool down. Okay, so I turned it off and I'm gonna leave it there for a bit to let it keep on boiling and let it cool down too. Alright, so I have a glass jar. It has to be dry completely, not wet, or else everything will be ruined. I always save these jars, especially if they're nice looking. I like this nice and chubby jar. And then it comes with the lid. We're just gonna fill this up. This will get a little thicker, but if you want it more thick, then you can add xanthan gum. I try to not use too much the chia seeds because apparently the chia seeds or flax seeds, even the soya, anything to do with soya, it's made out of tofu as well. Those 3 carry a lot of estrogens. So from what I've heard, It lessens your fertility, but that's if you always eat it, like I guess every single day, and big quantities, I'm sure. I prefer to not eat it every single time, so not that I'm still thinking of having kids, but me, I already had my last kids. I'm not having any more, so I already tied everything up. No more kids. Now this had came out perfect, a perfect amount for this jar. Now the amount of strawberries is up to you, how much you want to make. I just made that was probably 3 cups of strawberries, and they were whole. They were not even cut up. They were washed and everything, but they were all whole. So as you can see, it's already thick. I think it's the lemon that makes it nice and thick because it has pectin. All right. So that's it. And this, I will still leave it outside to let it cool down completely. You can see it's nice and thick. So this will cool down completely, and stick it in the fridge and eat it when you want with my low carb bread. Anyways, my friends, thank you so much for being patient and waiting for my recipes. Again, there's always a reason behind everything. Yeah, so I was sick and things happen. Thank you all for watching. Subscribe if you're new. Don't forget to click that bell so you don't miss any of my videos, and hope to see you again soon on the next video. Thank you all for watching. Bye.